Hello everyone, welcome back to the new Swift tutorial. Today we are going to learn about generics. So let's see how we can implement generics in Swift and what they are. So let's start by first compiling hello world. And after running, we can see that hello everyone is being printed. Next, let's delete these variable and print statement, and let's introduce a function to swap two strings. Let's add two parameters to it that we will be swapping with each other. Let's initialize first parameter with A and second parameter with B. Next, we are going to swap these two variables by starting with a temporary variable. That temp is equals to A. We are going to assign A to temp, and then we are going to give this A is equals to B and B is equals to temp. So next I'm going to declare two strings. String first is equals to first and string second is equals to second. Next I'm going to swap these strings. So let's pass string first, and in the second parameter let's pass second string. So next we are going to print these values. So let's say print first string value is equals to, let's say string first, and similarly we are going to add another string and we are going to say second string value is equals to second string. Now we are going to run this and let's see what happens. After running, we can see we have successfully swapped, like first string value is being printed second and second string value is being printed first. So we have successfully achieved swap. But let's say if we are going to change this value from string to integer, like if I want to swap two integers, and if I'm going to run this, it's going to give an error that the swap string expects us the parameter to be the type of string, but we are passing integer values, which mean that it will give an error that it cannot convert the type int that we are passing in these functions to type string that this function is expecting. So now we are going to introduce generics, and instead of string, let's say it's t. Let's say generics value is t, and we are going to add same t here. Now this function has become generic by adding a t in it, and now whatever we are going to pass, it's going to print. So let's say if we have integer value and if we are going to print it, it's going to swap successfully. And if I'm going to change these integer values to string, and if I'm going to run this, and we can see it has again passed successfully. So what generic do is, instead of creating different functions for integer and string, we just create a generic t. The actual type to be used in a place of t is determined each time we call this swap string. So if we are going to pass swap strings in swap strings, the value of t will become string, and if we are going to pass integer in these, the value of t will become integer. So this is how generics are used in functions. Hope you like it. Have a nice day. Stay tuned. Thank you.